Oh yeah. That is soggy. Not again. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and it's back! Yes, it is. We knew there were going to be some teething issues. It was off the road for a year. I wasn't expecting this. You've seen by the thumbnail, we've got wet carpets again. It's only in the passenger side. No, it's only in the driver's side. And it's a bit weird because it's normally undercover. Oh, let me turn the light on. So you can see oh look, we've even got a slug. Very nice. Love a slug, don't we? But yeah, look, it's pretty darn wet in there. So I haven't got a clue where it's coming from. I'm hoping it's something silly, not that bulkhead panel again. I can't see how it can be. I sealed it all up. I'm wondering if I've missed something, where I've left something unplugged, or if something's got blocked up and it's backing up. I have no idea. So I think the first thing we need to do, well, let's get that mat out with that slug on first. And we'll have a look under the bonnet in the scuttle area, see if I've missed anything. Bit annoyed about that. There is another issue. Sorry, I didn't mean to shake you there. We've got an outer CV joint gone on the driver's side, I think, so we need to do that one in the future. But yeah, let's have a look at the scuttle. Make sure I haven't missed something stupid. Nothing obvious yet. First thing I checked was, yes, we've got plenty of coolant, so the heater matrix hasn't gone and dumped all its coolant in there, and we have, not that it's a direct link to anything, but we do have plenty of washer fluid in there, so it's not just leaching in there somewhere, because there's plenty of water in there, so it must be quite a big source. So I guess I'll get the scuttle panel off. Can't remember how I do that now, but we'll get it off and have a look, see behind there. Well, I can't see anything obvious. Everything seems okay. That bolt's a little bit rusty, but that's not going to let it leak. I don't know if you can see in there. It looks everything, all the, what are they called, seals and things all look in place. If you see anything that I can't see, shout away. Everything looks good down there. I think what we're going to have to do is get the carpets out, get it outside and spray some water around, see where it comes in. I won't put you through the carpets again, we've done that a while back, so I'll get the carpets out and we'll have a look then. Got to dry them out anyway, haven't we? So yeah, let's do that. So we're nearly out. It is, sorry I'm balancing lights there, pretty soggy there, and also tuck that light under there, we're pretty wet under there as well. Anyway, this is more or less ready to come out. I won't show you that because it's just be my bum pulling a carpet out. And let's face it, no one wants to see my bum. And to get the carpet out, it wasn't too bad. You got to unclip the back seats. They're just little clips on them, and the carpet unfolds. Take the centre console out. Excuse me, that's my lunch. It's just a few screws, and you've got to undo the four 10 mil headed nuts in what's the thing, handbrake, and it'll let you take the centre console out. And then you just got to peel it all up. There's a couple of screws up there on the carpet, and I just pulled it all out from underneath here because you know I've got to dry it all out. So anyway, next we'll mop all this up because it's a bit, and put it outside in the rain and see if we can see where the water's coming from. Up under there, I guess. Well, it's absolutely typical. When you want it to rain, it doesn't. So we've got to do this manumatically. So I'm just going to put around this side. I'm going to try this and see if we get any drippage in here. It might take a while to come through. Nothing obvious yet. Right, pour some more water in here over, well, it runs down the windscreen, doesn't it? So give it a bit of a deluge and see what happens. Let's give it a bit up there. Right, let's see what happens. Right, well, we're in the footwell, and yeah, that's the pedals, and yeah, I'm here. Now, just looking, sorry, that's gone very dark. There's something dripping from there somewhere. Can you see it? Not much. I don't know what that is. I'm going to have to take the centre console, but it's there. Not much, but over a long period of time, yeah, that'd be enough. And I can't see any wet up here anywhere, so that must be, is that the air box then? You know, the for the fan. I don't know. Let's I'm going to grab a mirror, and I don't know if I can take that console out easy. Yeah, bear with. I'm just take the panels off. This is the sort of centre console area. That's obviously the heater, and there it is there. That drip just there. It's not a lot, and I can't see anything wet above it. So there it goes, just about to drip. Well, I don't know what that thing is. Don't know. May require some research to find out what that is. And is there supposed to be a screw in the end of it? Can you see that little divot in there? You can see that in there. Is that supposed to be a screw in there, holding it in? I do not know. I need to get a mirror. I'm just wondering, could that be the drain from the air conditioning? I don't know. It could be, I suppose. But I don't know. That's the sort of in between the two bits of plastic there. That bit there is like a foam gasket material, and looking at the back of it, I don't know if you can get in there. I can't see what you're seeing there, but can you see that the back of it is wet? That thing there? I don't really know. Anyway, let's do some more investigations. God, I've got to climb out of this thing now. Yeah. Just notice also, that's the sort of heater matrix. There is some moisture just in there. Can you see it in that little gap there? I'm holding it. Let's see if I can see it there. Some moisture in there as well. The plot thickens. I am definitely not designed to fit in here like this. I'm not. Right, just climbed underneath and water piddling out. Can you see it? It's behind that bar. Hang on, I'll try and get you a bit closer. I'm really sorry if you can't see this, but it's running out, see? A little rubber boot there. I don't know if I'm showing it to you. I'm really sorry if you can't see it, but it's the overflow for the air con, and I just squeezed it. There it is. There. I just squeezed it and there was some muck in it, and look at it, it's pouring out now. I'm making a right mess. But that's, must have been, it's just full up, isn't it? It's just got blocked up. So I'll get a bucket under this, and once that's stopped running, I'll try and clear it out. Right, hang on, let's get a bucket. And if you do like what we're doing here and find it useful, please give us a thumbs up. Right, so I'm hoping you can see that cube. That's it there. And all I did is just touch the end of it. And there was just a bit of muck in there, so I'm just gonna give it a clean out, I think. It's clear. And then that, hopefully, that'll be it. A ton came out, a ton of water came out. You can see it's just, you see it right there? Yeah. I reckon that was all our issues. It was just full up. Can you see it? Am I even pointing at it? There it is, there. I reckon that was full up and it was just overflowing. So, yeah, I don't know what I'll do. I'll see if I can clean it anymore. I can't do it very well with the camera there, but yeah, you can see what I mean. Well, actually, if you fiddle with it long enough, the rubber pipe comes off. So we get that out and give it a good clean. And that's it. I think that was what was causing all the problems. There was a lump in there. You can see it's still a bit mucky in there. But I'll give that a clean out and then we can put it back together. And there it is, back on, all cleaned up. Right, we are all back together here. Wipers on, washers work. Interior is back in as much as it's going to be at the moment. So obviously we have no carpets, that's just a mat on that side. So yeah, this is back enough for him to drive until we dry the carpets out. Let's turn that light off. So, there we go. In a way, I'm glad it was the air conditioning, well, that drain pipe, because if it wasn't that, it was something I'd done before. So in a way, it's a positive, in another way, it isn't. So all I can say is, next time you're under a little Corsa C, doing a service or whatever, check, and you've got aircon obviously, check that little rubber pipe isn't blocked, because ultimately I had to take the interior out to dry out the carpet, and I've got to take it out again when it's dried to put it back in. So a bit of a pain in the bum. Anyway, that is it. That's it. Thank you for coming on another Corsa journey. Not adventure. Don't adventure in this car. Yes, like I said, we've got a couple other jobs to do on it, or one other, which is the CV joint at some point. But apart from that, it's been pretty good. Tom's he's driving it around fine. Yeah, all good. So anyway, I've waffled on enough. Yeah, look us up on Instagram, Larks_workshop, and I hope to see you next time. Cheers then. Yeah, it's just oozing out. Nice. Let's find a place to dry this.